Here we have a scratch louver that we are going to be replacing. Please note, when you get your replacement louver, you'll receive a louver replacement kit. This louver replacement kit will have 2 staples and 2 louver pins. 1 louver pin for the louver and 1 spring-loaded louver pin for the opposite side. You'll have a smaller staple for the tilt rod and a longer staple for the louver. Now, to remove the louver, we're going to start by simply cutting the staple on one side and cutting it from the other side, being very careful not to lose the piece that we cut off from the staple. Grab one side with your needle nose and cut the other side out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the louver out of the panel. To do this, we need to understand that the louver pin, this section will be in the style and this section will be in the louver. We will need to find the smaller section and cut through it. The way we do this is we simply run our knife along the edge of the louver, getting between the washer and the louver, and simply tap down. This will release the louver from the panel and we can remove it. Now we come back in here and we discard all of the old pieces. By removing this piece, it will clear the way for the exception of the new louver. Now, be careful. When you're replacing the bottom louver, you have to make sure that the staples are pointing toward you. We'll simply place, first what we'll do is we'll place our spring-loaded louver pin into the style, and then we will put our louver into the panel, slide it over, again making sure, this is very important, that we make sure that the holes on the louver are, that the pre-drilled holes on the louver are facing us. Now we place the louver into the panel, push in the spring-loaded louver pin, until the louver locks in. Simply thread the staple through the staple on the tilt rod and place it into the pre-drilled holes of the louver.